Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone's PIN pattern and password. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend, your phone has been locked due to forgot PIN pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all. Watch this video till the end. Your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. If my previous video didn't work on your phone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely, but watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be charged less than 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this method to unlock your phone. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or other videos. For this you must subscribe to the channel, and if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us encouragement to make these type of technical videos in the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning the method, messing in it and applying it to unlock a smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking mode. It means your phone should be completely on offline mode. You can see here my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network, and it may be possible your phone will be also showing here telecommunication network or Wi-Fi network. So firstly, all the network should be closed. Simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. Just a minute. And you will get a lots of key on this page. You can see here you will also get a key of airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this flight mode or airplane mode to close all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. So simply I have clicked on this option airplane mode. Now you can see all the network like Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network are now closed, and now your phone is ready to go with the unlocking method. But one more thing you will have to do with your phone before go to the unlocking method, and the most important thing is that all the background running application when your phone was not locked should be closed. So generally it is not possible to close the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret codes which generated by the service center after 2 or 3 days, and this secret code used to close the background running application, because before going to the unlocking method all the background running applications should be closed, otherwise your this method don't work to unlock your phone. So today's secret code which is used to close the background running application, you will have to feed this secret code in emergency call option. So how will you get the emergency call option? Simply you will slide your phone upside like this, and you will get an option of emergency call option. Simply you will have to click on emergency call option, and when you will click on emergency call option, you will get a such type of dialing pad like this. Now you will have to, now you can see there there is a dialing pad has been appeared in my phone's display. Now you will have to feed this secret code to close the close the background running application. And today's recent secret code to close the background running application is star has 777 then star 00 then star 9634 then hash. Now you can see this is the secret code to close the background running application. Now you will have to call on this secret code, and when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to call on this number second time and the third time. After doing this process 3 times, it means your all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking method. Now after this you will have to simply clear this call log like this. Now a USSD code which is used to go to the engineer's mode, what I am going to give you, that is the star has 899 then hash. Now you can see after dialing this star has 889 hash, you will reach to a new page and you will get a lots of option you can see here. Now it's there is an option of a software version at the 5th number you can see here. Now you will have to go with this option software version, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page, and you will also get a lots of option you can see here. You will also get a lots of option on this page. The first option is showing here your phone's model number. You don't have to go with this option. You can see here there is an option of an Android version. Here my Android version is 12. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 13, Android version 12, Android version 11. If your phone is showing here Android version 13, it means you will have to click on this option 13 times rapidly. But here my phone is showing here Android version 12. It means I will have to click on this option 12 times rapidly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now the first process of unlocking method has been done. Now simply you will have to go with the back button. And when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page and you will also get another option of a manual test above the software version you can see here. Now you will have to simply click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page and its name is Assembly Test Project, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. You will have to simply slide your phone right side until you reach to the page of other. You can see here the page of other has been appeared on my phone's display, and you will also get a 5 type of option on this page. You can see here the 4th option is showing here database version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here mainboard version, but don't worry at all. Both the option have the same function but the different name. Now you will have to click on this database version 9 times rapidly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now the second step of unlocking method has been done. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important log test at the second number. You can see here. Now I will go with this option read write important log test, and when I have been clicked on this read write important log test, you can see here a new page has been appeared and it's asking to confirm me, but you don't have to confirm this. You will have to simply cancel this option. Again you will have to do the same process 3 times continuously. But again at the 4th time, when you click on this option read write important log test, it means you will have to click on this, but at the 4th time you will have to confirm this with the OK button. And when you will have to confirm this OK button, it means your all the forgotten pin pattern and password lock are on reconstruction mode. It means your phone is ready to go with a new pin pattern and password lock. Now the very last step what I am going to give you is most important, and if you have skipped any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock. It means you will have to watch this video again. So watch the video properly and follow the every step with the proper step. Okay. Now after this the very last step what I am going to give you, you will have to simply slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the page of a device debugging page. You can see here the device debugging page has been appeared on my phone display. You will also get lots of option on this page. You can see here, but here you can see here at the 6th number there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration test. Okay, now simply you will have to go with this option, and when you will click on this option, you will see here there are 2 type of options showing on my phone's display. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 3 option or 1 option, so don't worry at all. All the options are showing here operation not started. So simply you will have to start this operation by clicking on this option. Okay, now you can see here I have clicked on this option and test has been started, and you will have to click on all those options until you get a single test passed message. Okay, you will have to continue clicking on these options to get a single test passed message. Now you can see here a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone's display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my phone. Now my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So how will I check whether my phone has been unlocked or not? Simply you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. You can see here. Now you will have to simply click on this option to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. Now you can see my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the applications which were in my phone when my phone was not locked as it is as in my phone, it means this trick really works. And if your phone unlocked with this trick, then give a like this video, and if your phone could not unlock with this method, then make a comment in my comment box. Our team will quick response you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video with the next technical issue.